Welcome. If you've ever starred an email you sent to someone in Gmail and later wondered how to quickly find it, you're in the right place. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, the Gmail app makes this process simple. Follow along step by step, and never lose track of those important messages again. Start by opening the Gmail app on your phone. Simply tap the familiar Gmail icon from your home screen or app drawer to launch it. Once inside the app, look to the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Give that a tap, and a menu will slide open, revealing a list of sections in your Gmail. Now, scroll through the menu until you find the option labeled Starred. Tap on Starred, and you'll enter a dedicated section where all the emails you've marked with a star are neatly organized for easy access. At the top of this screen, just below the search bar, you'll see different filter options. Find and tap the one labeled To. This tool is incredibly useful. It allows you to filter your starred emails by recipient, making it effortless to locate the exact message you sent and starred. Once you tap To, a list of contacts may appear, or you can type the name or email address of the person you sent the email to. Select the contact, and Gmail will instantly display only the starred emails that you've sent to that particular person. That's it! In just a few taps, you can quickly filter and find any starred email you've sent, whether it's a project update, an important document, or a special message you wanted to keep track of. This method helps you stay organized and ensures you can always retrieve those key conversations whenever you need them. Try it today and make the most of your Gmail app's powerful search and filter features for managing important emails efficiently. Don't forget to star those important messages as you go, so they're always just a tap away.